How to unclog a sink, easy DIY method. Is your sink clogged and the water just won't drain? Don't worry. In this video I'll show you a few simple ways to unclog your sink using basic tools you may already have at home. Let's get started. First, remove as much standing water from the sink as possible using a cup or a small container. Next, grab a plunger. Place the plunger directly over the drain and make sure you have a good seal. Push down firmly and pull up repeatedly several times. This creates pressure inside the drain and can help loosen whatever is causing the blockage. If the sink is still clogged, try hot water. Slowly pour hot water down the drain. This can help break down soap and grease buildup. If that doesn't work, the blockage may be inside the P-trap underneath the sink. Place a bucket underneath the pipe. Carefully loosen the connections and remove the P-trap. Clean out any debris inside the pipe. Then put everything back together and check for leaks. If the clog is located deeper inside the drain, you can use a drain snake. Insert the snake into the drain and slowly push it forward while turning the handle. When you feel resistance, continue turning to break through or grab the blockage. Finally, run some water through the sink to make sure everything is draining properly. And that's it. Before using chemical drain cleaners, always read the label carefully and never mix different cleaning chemicals together. If this video helped you unclog your sink, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple DIY tips.